Hi guys, and welcome again to my kitchen. Today my junior chef, my Empty Plates junior chef, will be making today her pizza, and she will show you how she does it in our kitchen. Here we have our marinara sauce, we have our pepperoni, pineapples, ham chunks, sweet pepper. We have here our cheddar cheese grated. We have our Parmesan cheese grated, and of course your mozzarella cheese grated. Today she's gonna go ahead and show you how she does it. She's gonna start by applying her marinara sauce to the pita bread, and you don't have to use marinara, you can use what you have. You can make your own sauce by using ketchup and some tomato paste and blending it out. You could also add natural tomatoes by just slicing it, chunking it up, and blending it in your mixture. If you want it more chunky, if you want it more smooth, then you blend it fully out. Here she is, she's applying the marinara sauce to her pizza in circular motions. You could also, guys, use 3-cheese sauce because that's also a nice tasty sauce to use. So here she is, she's spreading it right around to the edges of the bread itself. She's using the pita bread as the foundation for her pizza, and she's applying that, and she's going to today make 2 separate pizzas, of course, and she's going to show you how she does it. One is going to be a cheese pizza, a straight cheese pizza, and the other one is going to be the pizza with all the toppings added, which she has prepared, which today we are going to, for the nature of what we're doing, we will call that one a fully loaded pizza. So here she is, she's adding her cheddar cheese as the first cheese to her pizza base, and she's doing it in that same circular motion because she wants to fill the pizza as close to the edges as possible so that all of your pizza has the cheese that it needs to enhance that flavor, because the cheese is what actually makes the pizza taste really pizza-y, if there's such a word. So she's adding here her Parmesan to both pizzas, and she's also going to go ahead and add her last cheese, which is her mozzarella cheese, and that's going to be the topping cheese for her pizza today. She's going to make one, as I said before, plain cheese, which is just a cheese pizza, and then the additional pizza will be a fully loaded pizza where she's going to go ahead and add her toppings. It's always good, guys, to put more cheese on the top of the toppings. When you add your toppings to the pizza, it's always good to go back in with more cheese to the top of that pizza, because you want to be able to have the cheese melt, and the cheese is going to form the bond with the toppings and the pizza itself. So it's always good to sprinkle the top of your toppings with more cheese so that when it melts, it holds the pizza into one full pizza. You don't want, when your pizza is finished, you're picking the toppings off and the toppings have minimum cheese or no cheese. Because if you just put the toppings on and put it to bake, you will have the toppings falling off once you take the pizza from the oven. So here she is, she's sprinkling more cheddar on the top of her pizza, and once that cheddar melts, when you are cooking it or baking it, it will form that bond between the toppings and the pizza itself. Now here she is, she has already put her pizza in. She made it in the air fryer. This is her cheese pizza that's fully ready, and she's taking the cheese pizza from the air fryer. The air fryer to us is the best way to have it done. It comes out nice, the color is perfect, the texture is perfect, and it's nice and tasty. Here she's adding to her air fryer the fully loaded pizza, and we put it in for 10 to 15 minutes, and that gives it the perfect taste, texture, color, and everything. She's now slicing her cheese pizza to get it ready to be served. And guys, it is so tasty, absolutely tasty. And it's the perfect size, it's the perfect crunch, it's the perfect taste. And here we have it. Our cheese pizza is ready, and she's ready now to go in to take out her fully loaded pizza. And here we go, the fully loaded pizza is ready. It has the perfect color, you can see. The sausages are nice and baked into the pizza. The ham chunks are nice and baked into the pizza. Also are the green sweet peppers, you can see them popping out. But it's nice the way the cheese has melted and allowed the pizza to form that top crust, so toppings are not falling off when you're cutting your pizza into its 4 slices. This is nice and tasty. We have, just to introduce to you here, we also have our junior chef classes, which is our Empty Plates culinary classes for all ages. So you can always join us in class, and we will teach your junior chefs how to actually make this pizza at home. And it's gonna come out nice and perfect. Also the pineapples, you can see them nice and baked in. Here it is, she has sliced it. And here is the stretch from our mozzarella and our 3 cheeses. Beautiful. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.